Welcome to 2025, where artificial intelligence is redefining the recruitment industry. From screening resumes to predicting candidate success, AI is making the hiring process faster and more precise. But what does the future hold for recruitment and for recruiters? AI is automating repetitive tasks like resume filtering and interview scheduling, saving recruiters hours of time. Tools like chatbots now offer candidates personalized support 24/7, while advanced analytics are helping companies identify top talent before they even apply. In 2025, AI is setting new trends, like bias-free hiring systems that promote diversity and algorithms that predict candidate success. Even video interviews are now analyzed by AI to provide deeper insights into communication and personality traits. But will AI replace recruiters? The answer is no. While AI handles data and automation, recruiters bring the human touch, like building relationships and assessing culture fit. Together, they create a balanced and effective hiring process. In the future, AI won't replace recruiters, it will empower them. By combining human expertise with AI's efficiency, the recruitment industry is poised for a smarter, more inclusive future. You can use the MagicalAPI resume services for your hiring process. Go to www.magicalapi.com